Today, we will be sharing a new data tool that we developed with our partners at Seattle and King County Public Health. This data tool highlights communities that may be more vulnerable to COVID-19. Novel coronavirus, called COVID-19, is a new virus that emerged in December 2019 and has since become a global pandemic. While most people who have COVID-19 will have a mild illness, older adults and those with underlying chronic medical conditions have had the most serious cases and the majority of deaths. Children may also experience less severe disease. This new tool includes information that helps us answer the following types of questions. Where do older adults live in the North Sound region? How many adults with chronic disease live in this neighborhood? Where might individuals be most impacted by economic loss or school closures due to COVID-19 in the region? The goal of this tool is to ensure health equity by focusing resources towards communities that may be more vulnerable due to health, social, or economic conditions in the region. The tool can be found on our website under the COVID-19 drop-down menu, or by using the link seen here. Here we have a screenshot of the homepage of the data tool. You can click on each icon to view a topic, including older adults, health conditions and pregnancy, social and economic conditions, healthcare access, behavioral health, and student needs. The first two topics, older adults and health conditions and pregnancy, show data for groups at higher risk for severe illness due to age, heart disease, lung disease, diabetes, severe obesity, and pregnancy. At the bottom of the screen, you can access a PDF summary of the findings from the data, view definitions for each metric, and view the data sources. The data tool also shows potential proxy measures that may help identify communities who have insufficient resources to prepare for or be resilient to COVID-19 illness or the economic and social impacts of social distancing. This includes limited healthcare access, such as a lack of health insurance and high emergency department utilization, social and economic conditions such as low-income households and households lacking social support, behavioral health needs, and student needs from low-income households or students experience homelessness. Now we will look at what is in the data tool. This screenshot shows the data for high-risk health conditions. On the left, you can see the map. The darkest shaded areas have the highest number of people or percent of the population experiencing the selected metric. Areas in gray are suppressed due to small numbers. This is mostly found for the zip code data. On the right-hand side of the screen, you will see the counties and the tribes or the zip codes, depending on what geography you have selected. This is ranked from highest to lowest number or percentage. Please note, tribal data and zip code data are only available for some metrics. At the top right of the screen are the buttons you can use to select the indicator you want to view: the geography, zip code, or counties and tribes, and the measure, number of people or percentage of the population. If you hover over any part of the map or bar chart, more details will be provided on that data. On the top left-hand side of the screen, findings from the topic area are noted. So what does this indicator tell us? It shows that Snohomish County had the largest number of adults with high-risk health conditions, with more than 105,000. If we look at the percentage, Skagit County had the highest percentage of adults with high-risk conditions at 18%. Please note that findings can be different when looking at counts versus rates, because places with more people, such as Snohomish County, may rank higher in count, but lower in rate. This is a screenshot of the data for social and economic conditions. On the bottom of the screen, we see that the map and chart now show the zip code, as this was what was selected on the geography button on the top right side. Again, the darker shaded the area is, the higher the count or the rate. The selected indicator for this view is household income of less than 200% of the federal poverty level, or FPL. In Whatcom County, 32% of residents live below 200% of FPL, and 29% do in Skagit County. By count, Snohomish County has the highest number of people living below 200% FPL, with 154,500 people, followed by Whatcom County at 68,200 and Skagit County at 35,700. Looking by zip code, the highest number of low-income residents are in zip code 98225, located in Bellingham at 20,000, and 98204, located in Everett at 17,500. 98266, located in Maple Falls, has the highest percentage at 61%, followed by 98267 in Marblemont at 57%. Among tribal communities, Lummi Nation had the highest number of low-income households, indicated by households earning less than $25,000 per year, at 3,200 households. However, Upper Skagit Indian Tribe and Nooksack Indian Tribe had the highest percentage of low-income households, at 35% and 27% respectively. This screenshot shows data for the topic Students and Families with Increased Need, which includes data on students eligible for free and reduced priced meals and students experiencing homelessness. The map and chart for this topic includes school districts in the North Sound region. The buttons on the top allow you to switch between number and percent and between the two indicators. Here the data show that the districts with the highest number of students eligible for free or reduced price meals were Everett and Edmonds, with 8,700 and 8,500 students respectively. When looking at percentages, the highest percentages of students eligible for free and reduced price meals are in Concrete with 90%, Lummi Tribal Agency with 71%, and Mount Vernon with 65%. This data tool can be found at our website at northsoundach.org. Here you can also find a blog post with more information about the data tool release and the PDF which summarizes findings from the data tool. On our website, we have resources and up-to-date information on COVID-19 at northsoundach.org/COVID resources. If you have any comments or questions about the data tool, please feel free to reach out to us at any time at team@northsoundach.org. Thank you.